Jumper are a very popular manufacturer of fetal Dopplers, and they work very closely with pregnant women to develop products based on feedback from real-life users. This is how they came up with the 100B rechargeable pocket fetal Doppler, a lightweight and portable heart rate detector that has all the features expectant mothers demand. It must be said that this device is not a substitute for professional medical advice and examinations, but it is an effective and convenient medical tool that you can use to gain assurance or reassurance and comfort in the privacy of your own home. Before we begin demonstrating how the device works, we have to stress one point, and that is this device is by no means a substitution for professional medical exams. So continue regular checkups and always consult your doctor if you have any concerns about your health and pregnancy. The 100B fetal Doppler is able to detect the fetal heartbeat rate and the sound of fetal heartbeat, making it an effective tool for routine examination requirements for obstetricians, midwives, and pregnant women themselves. When you unpack the box, you will find several items. Detailed instructions are available in the manual, but keep watching for a general overview of this great personal pregnancy device. This is the main unit, and is powered by a rechargeable battery that has a working life of 10 hours. A 240-volt AC adapter is included in this kit so that you can charge the battery at any time. The fetal Doppler model is lightweight at only 240 grams, but it has been developed to be durable enough to withstand shaking even being dropped. The unit works at a range of temperatures and humidity levels, so you can take it traveling with you. Just make sure the adapter is compatible with sockets at your destination. In terms of listening to your baby, the unit has a built-in speaker, but also audio output that you can connect with your earphones or a recorder if you wish to save the audio files. The device offers audio playback so that you can replay heartbeats, kicks, hiccups, or any other sounds your baby decides to make. The backlit LCD display will show the baby's heart rate in one of three modes that you can select: real time, 10-second average, and manual. That way you can track your baby's heart rate and responses easily at the click of a single key control. And now the part you've been waiting for: how to hear your baby's heartbeat with the 100B fetal Doppler. Inside your kit you'll find a probe. This probe is used to channel the sound of your baby to the Doppler device. It emits a frequency of 3.0 MHz, which is significantly lower than hospital ultrasounds, and generates an ultrasound dosage that is under 50% of the standard. This means that the device is perfectly safe to use as often as you feel the need to. However, it also means that you may have to be a little patient, as the Doppler is designed to detect fetal heart rates from the 16th week of pregnancy, although some mothers have reported hearing them as early as the 10th week. To use the Doppler, begin by rubbing some gel or lotion on your lower belly. Your package includes a 15 ml Doppler gel sample that has been designed specifically for the device. The gel is available to purchase, however you can also use regular moisturizer, stretch mark oil, or even a gel such as aloe vera. Turn on the device and select the mode you wish. Then place the probe so that it makes direct contact with your skin. Move the probe around, tilting and rotating as you move upwards around to find a clear heartbeat. If you are using headphones, try turning the volume up gradually to avoid being startled by a loud noise. Listen for the baby's heartbeat, hiccups, and kicks. Family members will also love hearing these moments, and you can even test how the baby responds to their different voices, your favorite songs, or even your pets. If you have connected a recorder, you can save your audio files or just play back to hear the highlights again. Whether you are going through a high-risk pregnancy or you simply want to create a collection of audio clips as a keepsake, the Jumper Pocket Fetal Doppler gives you the best tools to enjoy instant peace of mind by hearing your baby wherever and whenever you want.